Mini centrifuges are compact laboratory instruments used to separate substances based on their density through the application of centrifugal force. Proper usage and adherence to safety guidelines are essential for successful experiments. Here's a guide on using mini centrifuges safely and effectively. Using mini centrifuges. Preparation. Check. Ensure the centrifuge is clean and all parts are securely in place. Balance the samples by placing equal weights opposite each other. Loading. Place. Load the samples into the rotor according to the manufacturer's instructions. Secure. Close the lid and ensure it is locked securely. Operation. Set parameters. Adjust the speed, time, and other settings as needed. Start. Press the start button and wait for the centrifuge to reach the desired speed. Completion. Monitor. Observe the centrifuge during operation to ensure stability. Stop. Once complete, turn off the centrifuge and carefully remove the samples. Safety guidelines. Personal protection. Wear gloves and safety goggles to protect against spills and splashes. Handling samples. Avoid opening the lid while the centrifuge is running. Handle samples gently to avoid spills or breakage. Maintenance. Clean. Regularly clean the centrifuge following the manufacturer's instructions. Inspect. Check for any signs of wear or damage before each use. Emergency procedures. Know the location of emergency stops and shutdown procedures. Plan. Have a plan in case of equipment failure or accidents. Conclusion. Following these steps and safety guidelines will ensure that your mini centrifuge operates efficiently and safely. Regular maintenance and adherence to the manufacturer's instructions are key to prolonging the life of your centrifuge. To learn more about mini centrifuges and related products, feel free to visit my homepage and contact me via email. I will respond within 24 hours.